Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It's really a big pleasure to have you here once again. In this video I will show you how to make at home perfect sanding discs for your angle grinder almost for free. First of all, let's take a look at the materials you will need for this project. Cardboard and pencil, sanding paper, scissors, glue, 2 pieces of plywood, 2 clamps, the angle grinder support pad, a wood block, a mallet and a gouge. The cardboard can be thick or thin. It depends on the materials you want to smooth or sand and on the abrasive paper you want to use. Take the angle grinder support pad for the sanding discs and use it as a reference. Place it on the cardboard and draw some discs. Now take some abrasive paper sheets. Here I'm using 50 and 220 grain sanding paper. If you can get abrasive cloth, it will last longer and give you even better results. Using the same angle grinder support pad, draw some other circles on the back side of the abrasive paper sheets. With a pair of scissors, cut the cardboard discs and with another pair, cut the sanding paper circles. For future reference, mark each cardboard disc with the sanding paper grain you will paste on it, so that you will always know the grain you are using. With some vinyl glue, pass the sandpaper discs on the cardboard discs. The glue will make stiffer and harder the cardboard. I'm using the thinner cardboard for the 220 grain sanding paper and the thicker for the 50 grain abrasive paper. When you have pasted each sanding paper discs to their cardboard supports, stack them on top of each other and place them between 2 pieces of plywood or floor tiles. Anything flat will do the job. Use clamps to add pressure to the discs. Let the glue cure overnight. Remove the clamps and you will have flat, stiff discs. Now use a commercial cutting disc to mark the center hole of each disc. Then a block of wood will be your anvil. Take a mallet and a suitable gouge and cut out the center hole of your discs. With the same gouge, cut some notches to allow the disc to fit well on the resin support pad. If you want to save some time, you can cut out the center hole and these notches for more than one disc at a time. If you are cheap, like me, and have a Dremel tool, you can also place a hole in the center of these small discs and use them, instead of throwing them away. Your abrasive discs are ready now and can be placed on the support pad like the commercial ones. If not abused, the discs will last for a long time and you will not regret the most expensive commercial discs. The final result on wood or on metal is perfect. That's all I have for you today. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please subscribe and click the bell for the notifications. Thanks for watching.